This is a 2006 Edey Duff custom sailboat that came to us from Lake Wawasee, Indiana. I traveled out there myself on a 4-day road trip sabbatical to see this lake in the middle of farm country. I felt bad for these folks because this piece of artwork got T-boned on its boat lift in the middle of the night. And then the dude backed up, drove away for our clients to come out the next morning and see a big hole in their boat with not only fiberglass damage, but some damage to some pretty nice, intricate woodwork. From there, I ventured up to the lakes of Michigan, where we recently delivered one of our Metan Classic Collection Manhassets. We made this custom aft bench seat, which I brought with me, kind of give me an excuse to take some time for myself. And I got to spend a day on Torch Lake, which was the single most amazing fresh water I've ever seen. Well, at this point, we've completed the repair to the damage to the inner and outer hull skin, the fiberglassing, the sanding and blocking, 2 applications of 2 separate different types of primer, and then the all-important prep to lay down this killer all-grip jade mist green clear coat paint job that we like to call Metan Glass. We have completed our intricate woodwork with a little help from our friends at Marshall Marine, which interestingly is only a few towns away from here in Dartmouth, where these boats were originally built. We are waiting on a synthetic decking material so we can finish that part of the repair up. Need to install the wood, get our coating done so we can get this beauty back to Indiana. These videos are beginning to take a dual purpose. The first is to update our customers on the one certain thing that brings them enjoyment during this 8 weeks of uncertain times, and that is their boats. The second is to let our followers know that this project, along with many other projects that we'll be updating you on over the next 7 to 10 days, will become future episodes on upcoming seasons of our new show, Making It Metan. But for now, remember, join us on Sunday, June 7th, for the premiere of Season 1 of Making It Metan on Metan's YouTube channel. So click on this video and subscribe for updates on the premiere and upcoming episodes.